Now, how does the anaerobic respiration take place in the microorganism? A yeast, a unicellular fungi, can carry out anaerobic respiration called fermentation. In yeast, the anaerobic respiration taking place over there has a special name called fermentation. Now, it is called fermentation because after the anaerobic respiration, the substance gets fermented. It is fermented because ethanol, which is an alcohol, is produced. Ethanol, which is an alcohol, is produced. So here, the yeast will break down the glucose to produce ethanol, carbon dioxide, and then energy. Remember, I said that the energy produced in anaerobic respiration is very little compared to the energy produced in aerobic respiration. Anaerobic respiration does not involve oxygen, but aerobic respiration does. Now, this process is very important. The fermentation by the yeast is very, very important. Why is it important? One, the ethanol is useful for brewers and winemakers. The ethanol is alcohol, so the breweries and then the winemakers use that as a source of alcohol in the alcoholic drinks. The carbon dioxide also produced is useful for bakers. It helps bread rise. Now, after mixing the yeast and then the dough, if this is the quantity, it is allowed to stand overnight. By the time they come back in the morning, it could have reached a size like this. The reason is because anaerobic respiration in the yeast will produce carbon dioxide, which will help the dough rise or will make the bread rise. So anaerobic respiration or fermentation is very important. It is used in the brewery. It is also used in the making of bread in bakeries.